Hello everyone, my name is Glyde Maculangan and I will be your gospel sharer for today. Our holy scripture is from the book of Matthew, chapter 13, verses 1 to 9. Jesus is speaking about the kinds of people who receive his word. He likened them to be soil where seeds fall upon. So the question is, are you one of them? Many people are not receptive of the word because they find it irrelevant or that it runs counter to their worldviews and aspirations. Others are prevented from listening by personal factors such as their arrogance. They think that they already know a lot and there is nothing more that they need to learn. But there are really well-meaning listeners. Like in Jesus' time, they dedicated some time to listen to him and became his avid disciples. When Jesus ascended, their number multiplied, not just 100-fold, but up to present, billions of humans claim to be his followers. The word listen and hear appears a lot of time in the Holy Scriptures. Its importance cannot be overstated. It is by listening that we understand. Some people would rather talk than listen. Perhaps we should look at the mirror and ask ourselves why we have 2 ears but only 1 mouth. God listeners are transformed by what they hear and become instrument of transforming others. They become fruitful. Are you one of them? Today's gospel calls us to be good soil. We listen to Jesus and proclaim his message to our neighbors. May we all be a good news to all. That will be all for today. Thank you. And God first.